Find hair protective hairstyle that will help you grow your hair, prevent your hair from breaking, and actually help you reach your hair goals. I'm going to be sharing with you how I achieved this look by simply doing this hairstyle. So for someone that let's get straight into the video. So the extension I'll be using will be the hair key extension. I got this from a supermarket, or you can get from any market. It's very affordable. And yeah, and I love how this texture feel. It feels so lush and very easy to use. So when it comes to switching up your look, I decided to go with the Jayda Wayda braids. I know I've been seeing this on everywhere on Instagram. I'm like, why not try it out? For me, I did mine in a protective hairstyle way because I used just my hair, like literally it's my hair that I used to braid, like the front part of my hair, and then add extension to the back. So basically my hair, and then I did a sewing behind where I added my extension. So yeah, so for me, I was trying to look for like different protective hairstyles I can do, and I said why not try this one. At least my edges are going to be intact, my hair is going to be intact, because I'm definitely not going to be putting too much pressure since I'm not using extension while doing it on my hair. So yeah, I will not be losing so much hair. So yeah, so let's get into the making of the hair. So I started off with braiding my hair into an all back without extensions. So the back of my hair, I just used my hair in circles and then did the sewing. I make sure my part is clean, as you can see, and my hair has been washed and prepped deep condition before I did this hairstyle, so there's no form of itching and there's no form of dirt in my hair. So with this hairstyle, the extension I used is the hair K extension. You can see it from any supermarket, like I said earlier. It's lightweight and it feels like there's actually nothing on your hair. Like literally, sometimes I wake up in the morning, I'm like, is there anything on my hair? And then I touch, I'm like, oh, okay. And for maintenance, this hair is actually easy to maintain. Like, after you have your water, your conditioner, you're good to go. You just put in a spray bottle and then you spray it on your hair, and then use finger detangle. Just use your hands to remove all the knots, and then you're good to go. So it's still your natural hair, so we'll be taking care of it even in this protective hairstyle. You know how, like I said earlier, even if you're in a protective hairstyle, doesn't mean you have to abandon your hair and then not do any form of maintenance or care. You still need to put all the love, like what I would normally do with my braids or twists. That's the same thing I will do with this hair, but in a minimal version, because you know, if you add too much water on your hair tends to grow rough fast. So yeah, you gotta be minimal with your wash days and your moisture routine. But yeah, I really love this hairstyle. If you've tried this hairstyle before, I'd love to hear from you in the comment section. How was your experience? Was it easy for you to maintain? Was it a nice protective hairstyle for you, basically? So I want to know. Let's talk in the comment section. And yeah, let's continue this video. So this is the extension I'll be using. I told you hair care. I love how lush this is. Like, packets, weave ones. That's what I used on my hair, and it's actually nice. Funny enough, I thought, how when you see packet you'll be thinking, oh, this one is not human hair, oh, it will be very tangled and all. But for me, it wasn't that bad. Like, obviously, it's not human hair, but at least it did purpose. It wasn't tangling too much. And as you can see, we're using thread to like tie in the sew in so that my hair is in place. As you can see, I did the all back, and then I did like a circle around it, like a sewing circle around it, so that I can be able to do like my sewing. And yeah, let's continue this video. So this is the final look of the extensions. It feels like there's literally nothing on my hair. I love it so much. I love how I can style it, and I can't wait to show you like different ways I'll style this hair. And yeah, I love it so much. I can't wait to style it. I'd love to hear from you guys. Like, what do you think about this hair? Is it good? Like, can you see how my face just, you know how when you do a new hairstyle, it just gives you that boost. Like, you look different. It gives you that different vibe. Like, I don't know. Am I just the only one? But anytime I make a new hair, I always feel different. I feel like I can conquer the world. And yeah, let's do this. So after we've sewed it in, so we're trying to make it look more natural. So we're going to be using a crochet. So we'll put the crochet in our hair, and then we'll take some like 3 pieces of our hair in front and then pass it through like my hair so that it gives that natural look. It doesn't look like, oh, I sewed it into my hair, you get the vibe. So yeah, as you can see, we passed it through and now it looks more natural. So we did that for some parts of the hair, so it makes it look more natural. And then she tied it just to make sure it's firm and it doesn't like loosen up. So yeah, I really love this hairstyle. I've been seeing it a lot on Instagram. I'm like, girl, you need to try this hairstyle. I'm like, yes. I love. Gives the body look. If you're looking for that body instant look, I'll definitely recommend this. So now for maintenance, she's just adding water and conditioner just to make it shine more and make the curls bounce more. So if you have water, conditioner, and a mousse, but I didn't have a mousse here. Those are what you use to maintain it. It brings out the curls, it makes your curls to pop out more, and you look more gorgeous. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love to hear from you in the comment section. And yeah, I'm sure you guys want to see different ways I style this hair. Just leave it in the comments and I'll be there. I'm your girl. I'm here to serve you guys. I'll give you all the ways you can style this hair. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.